1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Just came into Unique Specialty and Classics. It's now available to purchase. This particular car has kind of a flat blue finish to it. It's kind of one of those where you take it to the next level. A little repaint, a little tidying up. Or you can just kind of drive it with a flat blue look, or a little patina look to it, I guess if you'd call it that. Chrome and bright work seem to be decent on the front of it. Tires are good. It's a smooth running car. Like I said, if you want to take it to the next level, give her a fancy paint job, do a little work to her, that type of car. Want to check out the underside pics, interior pics, engine bay, trunk, feel free to check those still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Still retains pretty much what I consider the stock interior. Besides that steering wheel, as you can see, has had a different steering wheel installed in it. Come around to the back here. There are a couple extra things that are included with it. Right there, fender skirts, extra driver's door. So that would go with the sale. Do fit in the trunk, so we could ship it with the vehicle if you decide to purchase this. Again, you can see it's kind of got the flat blue finish to it. Feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions on this car. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Or like I said, you can check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Vinyl roof does show its age a little bit on that other side too. Forgot to show you that when I was over there, but see a little imperfections, tears in the vinyl up there. Just want to make you aware of that. So the roof does show its age a little bit. Could be original. Go ahead and fire it up. See, here it run is a smooth running V8 under the hood. See, it starts right up. Radio does work in it. Does have a knob that needs to be replaced there, FYI. Monday will field the team in the Activision Blizzard upcoming Call of Duty. So 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Flat blue finish. There was a little ding in the hood too, I wanted to point out. Just so you guys know, like I said, you can drive it as a patina car, take your cruising, just have some fun with it, or take it to that next level. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or of course, check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.